Good morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I am just going to cook some asparagus. What you need is I've got avocado spray. You can have olive oil spray, avocado spray today. You need some butter. You need your Parmesan cheese. And you need a little bit of broth of some kind. It can be beef broth, it can be chicken broth. So the first thing we're going to do is just take your asparagus and always cut off the ends. Cut them up about the right good ways. Okay, I have cut off the ends of my asparagus. Okay, I have cut off the ends of my asparagus, and I'm just going to rinse them just a little bit. Get the water off of them. And we're going to spray them with, I have avocado spray today. And I have my pan that comes out of my Ninja. I know it looks a little rough, but I have well used it. So we're just going to spread the asparagus out after we spray it. And we're just going to put a couple of pats of butter on top of it. Now I've cut off the ends of it. I have sprayed it with avocado oil spray. Put pats of butter on top of my asparagus. And I'm just going to take just a little bit of beef broth. You can use beef broth, you could use chicken broth. You just need to use just a little bit of fluid on it, liquid. We're going to put it in our Ninja, and we're going to cook it for bake it for 15 minutes. Then I'm going to take it out, and then I'm going to put Parmesan cheese on top of it and bake it for 15 more minutes. So let's put it in our Ninja. I've got it in our Ninja now. We're going to cook it for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Bake. And we'll come back and check on it. Okay, this has been cooking for about 15 minutes, something like that. Pretty close to it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to drain off any liquid that's in it, much as I can. There we go. And we're going to sprinkle our Parmesan cheese on it. We're going to put it back in our little Ninja and cook it for about 5-10 minutes until the cheese melts. Well, it sure didn't take it very long for the cheese to melt, begin to melt. I am going to cut it on broil and let it get crispy on top. And we'll look at it again in just a moment. I have finished my asparagus, and it really looks good, so we're just going to take it and put it in a dish for us to have later. definitely done. It's got cheese on it. And let's see how it is to eat. Oh, it is fine. This is really a quick side dish for your meal. Okay, this is nothing. This is asparagus. Very simple to make. All you do is wash it. Put it all. I use avocado oil spray. Put it on a pan. Put a little pats of butter on top of it. Put a little bit of beef broth, not much, you don't want it much, and bake it. And then about halfway baking it, I stopped and put some Parmesan cheese on top of it. And then when it started melting, I turned it on broil and let it get sort of crispy and brown. And now I have asparagus for supper. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please join my channel, offer your comments, and come back to see me. Have a great day.